Welcome back.
Everyone asks how they are in the gravel. I mean, all right, guys. So we got a brand new Honda CRF300L sitting right here.
Sounds so cute.
Yeah, it does. Before you watch this video, let me know if you like big wheels. I think they're badass. We've been selling a ton of these kits. We got bikes shipping all over the world. Let me know what you think of them. You guys can do me a favor and just hit that like button, hit that subscription button. All that stuff honestly just helps the algorithm and gets our videos out there and allows us to do giveaways. We are going to be doing a giveaway on a big wheel in the future. You don't want to miss out on that. Should we do a how-to video on this gas can? So,
oh man, he's having a hard time. I mean,
Dude,
they're right there, but
Yeah, I never know how to use these things.
it says push the button.
I mean, I try to push at the top, but apparently I gotta push at the bottom. It's childproof and Alex-proof, apparently.
yes, it is.
All things you're gonna have. Forklift just digs itself in.
Dude, I love these bikes. It's so freaking smooth. It's crazy. So should we do a national around the parking lot just to prove that it does good in this gravel?
I mean, the forklift digs itself into this gravel, so we need to get a dually forklift with off-road tires.
All right, guys, so we got a brand new Honda CRF300L sitting right here. There's quite a bit of changes we had to do to this kit over a standard 450 kit. A lot of stuff's different, from the hub to the axle. We've got different kickstand brackets. We have a little stopper that we actually put on here. So when this thing goes up, we're able to use the factory mount, because we're obviously not going to cut this off the frame. We have a little stopper bracket right here that actually bumps the side of your kickstand. So you can see it keeps it from hitting the swing arm. So super simple there. What else we got, Alex?
So ABS models, we had to make a different bracket for the ABS sensor in the back.
Yep. So right here we got a little bracket that comes down. We have a new rotor adapter. So the rotor adapter actually bolts to this piece here. That allows the sensor to pick that up. So everything's basically sitting in the factory location. We did upgrade the rear caliper to the CRF450 style. Just works better. Works with our swing arm. We kind of do it on every kit. It just works for us.
Doesn't matter what bike you have, Cali,
We're running the 450 Honda style. We got some foot pegs built for this now. Beautiful.
We do have to change bar mounts and bars.
Yep, so if you buy this kit, I'll show you guys. Got some anti bar mounts right here. So plan on getting some fat bars if you're buying this kit. If you don't want to run fat bars, you can just get the 7/8 clamps. That's another option. But we like fat bars, and we always have these things kicking around the shop. So Jamie ordered this bike a little while ago, and we wanted to kind of surprise him with the nice stuff on it instead of giving him the rinky-dink. I think they're like mild steel stock handlebars.
Yeah.
They fall once, they're bent in half. But yeah, we got some per taper grips. We left the twist throttle. I mean, it's a dirt bike. Not everybody wants thumb throttle in this world. So when you guys install this, we have obviously the piece for the key. So your key's gonna go in just like that. We got mounts here for your speedometer. And right underneath the headlight, we've got a couple 3/4 inch spacers with longer bolts to the factory bracket. So that allows this headlight to basically work with our triple clamps.
We did have to space out the coolant bottle.
Okay, so that's another thing we should talk about. So the cap for the coolant bottle gets really close to that. So we already got the spacers installed. We basically brought this whole side piece out. Got a spacer on the bottom of the shroud. We've got it on the coolant bottle, and we're not gonna leave one shroud sticking out farther than the other, so we got one over here too.
Actually see it over here.
Yeah, oh yeah. Man, this is, we can back up and just get this shot right here, man. It is just a clean bike, super clean. Well, I think everything else, other than that, we have how-to videos on how to put these together. So I guess the only difference on the ABS model again is that bracket right there. The headlight's going to be the same on all the other ones. I think we went down one tooth on the sprocket.
Yes, we did.
Yep, so we're down to a 13 tooth front. So we're going 13 to 13. And then basically the CRF300L rear sprocket too. So this is a 51 in the back. So we did tweak the gearing a little bit, but it works really good with those big fat tires. If you guys like fat tire bikes, comment.
It's just a 300.
We gotta do a pipe and a tuner on this thing. Alright guys, it's the end of the day. Time to head back inside and pack up and get out of here. See you in the next video. Hello?
Hello?
So what do you got, a 400 spacer?
400 spacer.
Did you cut it down for that size?
I did cut it down.
So this guy right here's got to make us more spacers.
Yeah.
What else is new, right?
Yeah.
Um,
We got 3 new sizes of spacers we need.
yeah, like new spacer every day.
Yeah.
I guess the other thing you had to do too, before I forget, had to just reroute this wire right here.
Oh, yes, I did.
Just to get it to reach all the way over to here. I think that's the last thing I forgot on this. But yeah, anyone has any questions, I will send you the links. Anybody that's purchased these kits here, any questions, I will send you the links to all of our how-to videos. It covers pretty much everything. The specifics on this bike I already covered in this video. So other than that, it's pretty much the same as the other ones. Cool.